Had to redo Taco Tuesday, so it's Taco Wednesday. Pow. Making my own chicken tacos. Seasoned from scratch. Yes. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing loaded nachos. Yesterday I did Taco Tuesday, today's Wednesday, but those tacos were dead, like gross. So I tried Beyond Meat crumbles and yeah, it was a fail. So today I'm gonna make my own in your face. I'm using tostadas. I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple of these and crunch them up. Start off with 2. No, I did not feel like putting the tacos on there, or the meat on there. I had asked you guys if I should do a mukbang today, and you guys said yes. So today's tacos is shrimp, chicken, and a little bit of steak. Just gonna put the chicken down first. I'm not gonna put all of it because it's just in case I don't eat all of it. I can make some for tomorrow. Go ahead and put that on there. Little shrimps. I got some colossal shrimps. I de-shell, de-vein, and de-poop my stuff. That's good. Add a little bit of lettuce. Add some cheese, some taco blend. Let me get a little bit of sour cream. Last but not least, some salsa. Yeah. Oh, this smells good. Can you see my water? I dropped it. Alright, I'm done with the thumbnail, so I'm back. So I'm gonna give y'all the first bite with chicken, steak, and a shrimp. Ah, if it don't fall over. Okay, I was playing. There's your bite. That's good. Look at your computer.
Huh?
Your computer.
It's the skyline. That's the only line.
That was good. Oh, it just fell on the floor. I have to get it after the video.
What's that right there?
Oh.
It's that old PlayStation. Right there.
So what's up, you guys?
No, right there.
How have y'all been
No, that's just-
since the last mukbang? Have y'all seen my dirty little secrets or revealing your dirty little secrets video? Y'all need to go watch that and watch it to the end, because some of those that I had to read off were like disgusting, nasty, and I cannot believe. Like really bad. If y'all hear something, Child's playing again. Essential water. Sponsor me. Your water's like bomb. I buy it like every week. I drink like almost 3 a day. I can never finish the third one. When I tell y'all essential water, pH balance, the alkaline in it, all that together, it's like really refreshing. I've tried a lot of alkaline waters and this is the best one. These are good. Y'all probably won't hear crunching and smacking and stuff because the game, and I'm far away from the screen today. It seems like I always do mukbangs when he's on the game. I'll never do them when he's not on the game. Look at that something. Look at that shrimp. Technically, when you eat tostadas, you're supposed to pile it on top and eat it like that, but I went in nacho form. That mender. I said that mender. I'm about to say that chicken is tender, but I was gonna say that meat is tender, but I end up saying that mender. Hashtag mender if y'all got this far. Hey, does this count as B-Love's no utensils video? I kind of like started off with the fork, but my actual plating is not with a fork. And I didn't want to put my hands in food that somebody else could potentially eat, so my actual food, I'm only hands. What's that? I might use some more salsa. Spread all this around. I would usually use a fork. It's done. Sorry guys, somebody just always have to call when I'm doing a video. It never fails. Now I'm not gonna know how long this video is gonna be. So, oh, did y'all see the food? Well, of course you did. The food at the beginning of the video when I was cooking it. It was smelling so good. You see baby in the back? Come on. You trying to say hi so bad.
She won't say hi. She want to stay.
I was shy a little bit.
No, you wasn't. You kept trying to make your way over there.
Hey.
Some chip.
Thank you.
Did you eat your taco?
He over here now. I mean, he's doing more dancing than eating. He over here.
No, man.
How is it?
Ugh. Y'all remember when I did Snoopy Eats 408? I think that's his name on YouTube. Y'all remember when I did his loaded nacho challenge? It was 10 times this. I think I had all this in there. I had shrimp, steak, and chicken. It was so much food. I couldn't finish it. I put just enough today for the video. But y'all need to go watch the revealing your secrets video. Guys, there's some crazy stuff on there. And if you want me to reveal a secret anonymously, message me, leave a comment or something, or somehow let me know.
Wait, get it off the TV before I hit you in the back of the head with some more.
I got y'all. Here you go. Get you another bite.
Look, guys. You want to see this? What?
Was it good?
Yeah.
Chad said it was good. I'm starting to get full. That's why I don't see how y'all do these mukbangs weekly, sometimes daily. I can't eat and talk without getting full first before I finish all my food. But I know I'm eating these shrimps. This shrimp's good. Nacho Wednesday. Have you ever felt like, have you ever ate a chip and then you was swallowing it and realized you didn't chew your chip all the way and it's like cutting your throat and stuff up? It's happened to me.
Is the green toy?
I need one of those coldest water bottles so I can put my essential water in that bottle and keep it cold. I wish I can say this was brought to you by Essentia. I'll be able to say it one day, right, guys? You full? Oh, yeah.
You weren't even hungry.
You just wanted some.
That's why I don't ever give it to him. He's dead. That's a habit.
Guys, I'm almost done.
We need to go throw this away.
Put the meat back in there. Eat it small.
This was on the bowl.
Throw it away. I sure don't throw that away. Why not you away?
And it's get messy when you eat with your hands, because I usually be using a fork. Yeah, so I'm getting full. I'm getting sick of food now. I got 3 more shrimps left. 2 chips. I'm gonna eat these by itself. Also, guys, what's some videos y'all want to see on here? Not saying I'm gonna do all of them. I just want to see some suggestions and stuff. Just let me know so I can take it into consideration and possibly do it. Oh, I don't want to get this finger dirty. Almost done. Oh, that came out of nowhere. Excuse me, guys. I guess I can add burping on here. That chicken is good. Dip it. Dip it. I got enough tomorrow. I'm probably gonna eat a burrito. I mean a taco. Taco tomorrow. I can't get it together. Huh? What's up? Oh. I'm full. Y'all gonna eat my last shrimp. Y'all know when B-Love be like, she full, and then she's still eating her lobster, and she's still eating her crab legs, and she's still eating her shrimp. And I'm like, don't be full yet. Keep eating, keep eating. You gotta wash this down. Essential. I might need it.
You may eat it?
I might need it.
I listen, you may eat it. If I say eat it, I'm gonna drink it up.
Oh goodness, I had to hurry and burp that out. Get y'all last bite. Shrimp. I'm done. I'm gonna move up. That was so good, guys. This is what I got left for tomorrow. Just enough for like one. Or if I put it with some like Doritos or something. Alright guys, I am done. Like I said, watch that I'm about to say watch that movie. Watch that video revealing your secrets. It's some crazy stuff on there. And let me know what y'all want to see on here. Oh, excuse me. I've been just kind of uploading what I want to upload just because I feel like it's so much, I'm spitting. I feel like it's so much better to do it that way because I'm not having to count on, you know, anything. I'm just uploading when I feel like it. But alright guys, if you like this mukbang, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Do so right now and turn on that bell. As I stated before, there is a giveaway coming soon, but we have to get to 2K. Once we get there, I will announce the official details. So, alright guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.